Hi. I've been recently been asked to sneeze by Gio. Oh, and my name, beep, beep, through contact of all social medias. This name has not been recently heard or made, so we cannot go and shout out the name. Through all contacts, please contact Power Rangers, and they'll let you know. And yeah. So they told me to sneeze. All right, let's do this. Chew. Oh God, where am I? Yeah, I think I'll sneeze one more time. Chew. Oh God, where am I now? Whoa, that's a long way down. Whoa. There. That's a long fall. I really don't want to go down there. So I think I'll sneeze one more time. Chew. Oh God. Where am I? Here's a cute little baby. Oh, sorry about you, God. Hi, honey boo boo. Something like that. But this still is a long fall. I think I need more time. Oops. Can't get around here that much. Oops. What's down there? Wow. Wow. That's something. I'm gonna sneeze the last time and I'm done here. Chew. Woo! Good thing nothing got broke. Oh God! Where's my hand? Oh, there it is. But wait, I lost my hand. Boo! Oh God! It was just a little nightmare. All right, let's get over with this. Oh. All right. Just a little quote. I am never doing that again. And why should you ever do this again? Because I want to. Shut up. You'll make me sneeze over there. Or dare you? Alright. Let's do it. Oh God. Ah! We're here. Oh yeah. This is the inside. We are the same. The same, yeah. Yeah, we are. Alright. We're gonna sneeze one more time. Bye. Chew. Oh God. Don't you ever do that again. I will. Because if you did not fast forward this to the end, please do not do that ever. And just know that, no, we cannot show his name because, go on, I guess, Power Rangers? You know what? Screw this, I'm done. Hold on. Oh yeah? Then just don't overdo it. Okay, I won't. Alright, I think that's enough sneezing today. Subscribe to Geoman202, Alien Place, Carlos Anderson the second, Carlos Anderson 11 the second. Yeah, it's really hard. He has too many YouTube channels. And And also, importantly, Geomantle 2. Because if you give him 40 subscribers, he would give you One Night Things Part 4. But I was just there to do this the same